A blessed day to each and everyone. Again, my name is Sir April and welcome to my cookery class. We will start with the fourth quarter with a bang. And today we will talk about on how to prepare meat dishes. Our learning targets: prepare the tools and equipment, ingredients, and other supplies based on the given recipe. Differentiate the composition of meat. Observe safety and cleanliness at all times. Let us take a look at the following pictures. When we talk about meat, this is a term for the flesh of cattle, beef, and veal, sheep, lamb, and pork, or pigs. Meat comprises of different types of water, protein, fat, and various amounts of vitamins and minerals. When we talk about pork, this is another choice as far as meat type is concerned. It is divided into large sections called primal cuts. Primal are then broken down further into individual steak and other cuts. It is derived from pig and is classified as red meat. However, this meat is less fatty compared with a beef. Beef is divided into large sections called primal cuts as well, and these primal cuts are then broken down further into individual retail cuts. Beef is very popular and is used across the globe. This meat is very nutritious and is obtained from the cow and is one of the much sought after types of red meat. Sheep meat is also a staple food in some parts of the world and is consumed in many regions. Let's differentiate the different kinds of meat and its sources. The first one that we have is the meat from domesticated pigs, typically high in fat, commonly slaughtered 1 year or less of age or to ensure tender cuts, and this is the pork. Then we have the beef, which is the meat from cattle over 1 year old. Lamb is a meat of domesticated sheep. Its texture is a direct result of what it consumes and the age which it is slaughtered. We also have the cara beef. It's the meat from carabao. The chevon is the meat from deer or goat. The veal is the flesh of a young calf, 45 months old. Because of its age, it is considered by some to be the finest meat. The meat has the following composition: 70% of muscle tissue, protein 20% of muscle tissue. It also have 5% of fat, and it also contains carbohydrates, which plays a necessary part in the complex reaction called the Maillard reaction, which takes place when meats are browned by roasting, broiling, or sautéing. These are the different types of knives that we are using in terms of meat preparation. We have the French knife or chef's knife for general purpose chopping, slicing, and dicing. The utility knife used for carving roast chicken and duck. Boning knife used for boning raw materials and poultry. Slicer used for carving and slicing cooked meats. This is the butcher knife for cutting, sectioning, and trimming raw meats in the butcher shop. Scimitar or steak knife used for accurate cutting of steaks. We have the cleaver. It is used for cutting through bones. That's just my discussion for today. Thank you so much and hope to see you again next time. Till then.